Hi, my name is Megan Herrincole, and I'm a registered sanitarian with the Gallatin City-County Health Department. Our department wants to provide you and your staff with guidance and assistance whenever and however we can. As our health officer, Matt Kelly, would say, reopening is not a sprint, but a deliberate and thoughtful marathon that depends on every one of us for success. Here's specific information for you, our personal care service professionals. Some examples of these types of businesses include body artists, permanent cosmetics, barber shops, nail and hair salons, spas, massage, and skincare salons. The following guidelines are required to be followed under the Governor's Reopening Directive. Phase 1. Personal care service businesses can become operational on Monday, April 27th with reduced capacity and strict physical distancing protocols. Avoid gathering in groups of 10 or more in circumstances that do not readily allow for 6 feet social distancing. All employees must self-monitor and perform health assessments prior to coming to work each day. Staff may not come to work if they are sick with a fever, cough, shortness of breath, or experiencing extreme fatigue. Staff should wash hands often and continue to practice good hygiene. Avoid touching your face and sneeze into a tissue or elbow. Staff should maintain a safe distance between themselves and customers whenever possible. Customers and clients must be screened for symptoms of fever, shortness of breath, or cough prior to scheduling an appointment. Face coverings should be used by staff and customers and must be routinely washed. Remember that a face covering is just an additional method to minimize risk, but they do not replace the other prevention strategies such as good hand hygiene and social distancing. Waiting and service areas must be closed if they cannot meet 6 feet social distancing between seats or standing space. Make sure at least a 6-foot distance is maintained between workstations. This may require you to reduce the number of staff and customers allowed in the establishment at one time. Staff must also take additional measures to reduce the amount of time customers spend inside the establishment. We, Gallatin City-County Health Department, would like to provide you with these additional recommendations to help you keep yourself and your customers safe during this phase of the reopening process. We recommend placing signs that encourage customers and staff to stay home when sick on the entrances of your workplace. Use electronic payment options to minimize handling. Items located in common areas that cannot be sanitized should be removed. Examples of these would be magazines, books, or games. Request that customers attend appointments alone. If possible, conduct consultations remotely using apps like FaceTime or Zoom to help limit in-person traffic within the establishment. Provide hand sanitizers in convenient locations to encourage hand hygiene for staff and customers. Consider limiting the variety of services you provide. Allow for adequate time in between customer appointments for cleaning and sanitizing of the workstations, equipment, supplies, and tools that are used during procedures and services. Follow existing rules that govern sanitation for your establishment type and additional guidance and direction provided by your professional licensing agency. Remember to frequently sanitize highly touched surfaces at least every 2 hours or more often if necessary. Be sure to use an EPA-approved sanitizer for emerging viral pathogens. A list of these sanitizers can be found on the EPA website. Daily disinfecting of the frequently touched surfaces should occur at the end of each day using a diluted bleach solution at a disinfecting concentration of 1/3 cup bleach per 1 gallon of water, or 4 teaspoons bleach per 1 quart of water. Some examples of frequently touched surfaces include door handles, sink faucets, countertops, workstations, cashier machines, keypads, chair backs, pens, and phones. Remember to clean surfaces that appear dirty with soap and water before sanitizing or disinfecting. Our Healthy Gallatin website will continue to have resources such as example posters and procedures that you may use. You can visit it at www.healthygallatin.org, or you can also call or email our call center at 548-0123, or email callcenter@readygallatin.com. Thank you.